G'day guys and girls, I'm back at it. I'm going for a ride with Chris today, just a local ride. Gonna go out to Mount Mee and ride around the Gnarly National Park. It's one of my local haunts that I love to ride. Okay, so the decision I need to make now is which bike to take riding. It's going to be a bit gnarly. Now, I did really enjoy riding the Super Tenere, and it is very capable on the real gnarly stuff. The only problem is I need a bash plate, so I think it'd be a bit silly to take it out at the moment without a bash plate. But I'm super keen to ride it out there just to gauge how well I can do it on a big bike, because it does get gnarly. The old Tenere 700 here, she's starting to look a bit worn down now. It needs a good wash, that's for sure. Been riding this thing a lot, and it's been through some hard times. It might make more sense, I think, to take this one today, just because it's going to be I'll be riding with Chris, and I don't want to be pussyfooting around with this thing. I just want to keep up, and I think that 700 should be good. Woo, she's been chilly this morning. I've got a singlet and a shirt on under my armour, but the armour's just the armour's just a mesh. Yeah, someone made a comment on my channel the other day, noticing how many bikes I've had on the channel over the years and how many I've got now, and they just said, what's the go? Why have you got so many bikes all the time? It's a bit of an addiction, I'm afraid. I had a bit of a hiatus from bikes after getting taken out in a car park once when my wife was pregnant with my first child, and it just sort of scared me. I wanted to be there for my daughter. I'll get back into it when she's 18, sort of thing. But anyway, by the time she was 3 or whatever, I started getting the itch, and I had to get back into it. But to mitigate the risk, I come up with a cunning plan, and that plan was to ride on the road as little as possible, and definitely not commute. So now I only ride on the road to get to the dirt, and I only I'm all about adventure riding now. I don't go out for the twisties. I used to be all sports bikes prior to my hiatus, and it's kind of great. It's a world that I've never knew existed. It's just so much fucking fun, guys. If you're still out there riding sports bikes in the twisties, and I've got a friend, Justin, I keep telling this to, and I've nearly got him convinced to get an adventure bike. The adventure bike is like a Swiss Army knife. You can have some fun in the twisties, fine. You don't need to be a bloody, a rocket boy on a bloody super slick sports bike. You have just as much fun in the twisties on a bike like this, any adventure bike really. Even with knobbies I have fun in the twisties. And then you got that advantage of being able to just go out and make your own tracks and discover. It's so good. And I guess all you guys watching the channel, you fully appreciate that already. But there might be some people that are stumbling on my channel and, have possibly thought about a life-changing course like that. Tell ya, we're not here to fuck spiders. I've been running some 91 in this too, which I probably shouldn't be doing now. I realise that's this fuel price has got that high, but I'm going to swap back to 95 because I have noticed the fuel economy is lower. Oh, we got the Harley boys out today. Anyone see an Africa Twin? Nope. both early. I got you some breakfast.
I got here thinking that you were going to be at least 9:45.
Yeah. I made a comment in my commentary coming in that I was half an hour late last time, so I thought I'd make up for it. Hey mate, good to see you again. Good to be riding with you again. Busy day in Debra today, jeez. Hopefully they're not all out on the tracks. Chris says he hasn't been out this way before. He's done a bit of riding around Mount Me, but I don't think he's found the good tracks in there. And I know all the tracks in there really well, so I think he's up for a treat today. I'll show him. And good thing is I know Chris's skills on that bike. He's pretty handy with it. He's pretty much out to try anything, so there's only a few spots that I'll steer clear of, and I'll show him some pretty wild stuff. There's some really good riding in here, and everyone knows that's watched my channel. There's quite a few Mount Me trips in here where I've brought fellas up for a ride through here. A lot of fun in the wet too. It's been up in the wet a couple of times, and it's just a whole different beast when you're out in the wet. Been riding the WR a lot. I think that's helped me skill up a bit, and even just the riding I've just done in the Flinders Ranges on the Super 10 array, that's really helped with confidence in really bumpy shit. I don't like the suspension on this bike. I think I've reached a point riding it now where I'm pushing it to its limits on the sort of tracks that I'm taking it on. Ooh, where to? Don't want wet boots. These boots are quite bad for water. There you go. My left's got a wet sock already. One thing I did love about that Super 10 array was the torque of the engine. Not having to, work the gearbox as much was really nice. Just having, pretty much second would do most of it. You'd smack it down in the first if you got too gnarly. Okay, this is oh, going to be busy. I thought it might be with the school holidays. Got to be careful in here today. There's a lot of mountain bike riders in here, and it's first day of public holidays, so there's going to be every man and his dog out four-wheel driving, and some of these corners can be pretty hairy. I've met four-wheel drives on them before, so I'm just going to go very easy. There's nothing worse than coming around a corner when there's a four-wheel drive hammering down on you. Now, I haven't been in here. We had a big wet period for where it just rained for like 3 or 4 weeks, and I don't think I've been in here since, so there could be some new track formations that I'm not expecting. Oh no, here we go. This is stand up time now. One more. Whew. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Crazy, man. The Super 10 array would just eat this up, and this feels like a mission on this bike. That used to be, this track's changed heaps. Used to be able to go straight ahead there. Wow, this is new. new, very new. I'm not going to get through there. What's this guy doing? Lost our run up. It's the only problem. You need that run up to get up here. Well, you go first.
So you can watch me.
Yeah, I'll film it. Oh no, he knows how to do it. Where am I going? Oh shit. It's amazing how a track can change so much, and it's whoever that's doing it, whether I guess four-wheel drivers, but that was that whole section there was completely new to me, and I've been out this track so many times. Obviously that rock formation hasn't changed, but it's, you know, full of water now, and the angle of approach has changed a lot on it. Yeehaw! Whew. Oh shit! I looked at the bloody. I looked at the, and I went in there. Do not. Target fixation, guys, is a real thing. You look where you don't want to go and you will go in it. And I can prove that. I had to deliberately look away then to get myself out of there. One more. Oh, this is one of my favourite parts through here. Power there, what happened? That's weird. It's like I got traction control, but I don't. That's bizarre. What's up?
Your bike, I just got to go for a test. Did your bike just let out the biggest fucking smoke bomb?
Yeah, I lost a shitload of power all of a sudden.
It just went boom.
Yeah, fuck.
Right after that.
Yeah, it must have been some bad fuel or something.
It just went fucking...
Yeah, I thought, shit, it's like I had traction control kicking in. I just lost all this power all of a sudden. Whoa! Wowee! Whew! G'day guys! Having fun? Cool. Fuck! Whew. Shit, man, you just gotta hit it sometimes. That was a bit of a scary mess then. Oh, this is where I want to go here, I think. I am going to turn my ABS off for this one. Whew. Yeah. Oh, crap a moly. Ooh. So that's the one I have trouble getting up.
Oh, that's pretty easy.
Oh, it's pretty rutted though.
Oh, yeah, you just pick your way through it. You've done worse than that.
Oh yeah, well, I guess lately, but it's sort of one of those ones where you just gotta pick it and go for it. Just the hesitation's what kills you.
Yeah, you just gotta pick it.
I might go this way. I nearly clipped a tree through here when I come through last. I was, I think I was looking in my mirrors or something. Whew, that's slippery. Ooh. Yeah, I'm just hoping this hasn't rutted out too much. More the gnarly hill climb is what I'm concerned about. Yeah. Fuck, that's rutted. Look at that. That's really copped a beating. That's a worry. Geez, even this. It's gonna get really gnarly in a sec. I just hope the track condition's good. Whoa. So, yeah, looks steep, doesn't it?
Yeah, man. Yeah, it looks steep. I did it on this.
The hardest part of this is this drop in. Hardest part for me. I struggled actually coming out the other way, coming up this. Geez, I used to do some silly shit, eh? No emergency beacon. Riding out here on my own. Oh, I got one. Last time I was here, one of the guys dropped their bikes here. On the going in, yeah, the going in's the biggest fuck up. Because then once you get in, you gotta. Oh, I'm gonna go first, I think. Just because it's. I don't want to be fucking around with the gears halfway up.
A lot of people through it.
Hmm?
There's a little. See, as you go up, that's easy. As you get to that big tree, that's on the right there, it starts to get a bit steep, but then once you get that,
Yeah.
does it go off to the right there, doesn't it?
So guys, this is really fucking a head fuck when you look at that. It's like insanity. It seems like, what the fuck am I doing? But I've done it before and it is doable. The hardest part I find is getting down the fucking thing here. This is my weakness, my downhill. Fucking fuckers slip and get away on ya. There we go. Ooh. Okay, now gotta gas it. Gotta stand up. Oh, she's quite gnarlier than I remember actually. Shit. Whew. Oh man. Oh shit. Wow, that is that's bad. That's got worse. Holy shit. Holy shit. I won't be doing that one again. Wow. That is that's pretty fucked up. I better warn him to go around the other way, I think. Rightio. It did scare me a bit. There he goes, he's got his drop in. Ooh, oh, nice work. There we go, easy. I just had a shit line. You got pegs? Oh, I gotta get on. Prepare for 100 kilos. Wait, I'll put this other one up.
It in my back.
You're going to be really light on that front wheel now.
Try this one?
Yeah, up the guts.
You want to try it as a double?
Oh, I'll get off then.
Yeah, maybe not. I would if you were like really slow. But that's such an optical illusion, that last one.
Oh, it was worse than I remember it. It's been rutted out a lot more now. Oh, oh, jeez, I'm glad I did get off.
Goes off.
Oh, he's gonna. Oh, shit. Holy mackerel! Your brakes are fucking lethal! Your back brakes, man! I had trouble then getting down that. No. Maybe till we get to an uphill bit. I was thinking I was gonna fucking bin it then. Traction control! How do I turn it off? Whew. Oh man, that's crazy riding someone else's bike through tracks like this. If you're going to do it though, you want to go uphill doing it. Whew. Yeah, you just send it, eh? It's very comfortable getting through here on this, actually. Oh. I guess it's got the power to use second, eh? I should just stay there and tractor through. Now, you liking it?
Yeah, it's good. It's feels a bit lighter, but no fucking back brakes, man.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah.
How's that one going?
Yeah, I'm liking it now. They got the traction control off.
Yeah,
That
touch it, because all you got to do is touch it and it comes back on.
right. Oh, luckily I'm a bit better versed now on the big bikes. Oh, I need to get out of first, so I think it's pulls a bit too hard in first. Second's really usable on this. Yeah, see now the back brakes aren't fucking scaring me. I don't know. They were just locked up before for some reason. Oh man, this is a pleasure to ride too. It's very much like the riding and comfort of the Super Tenere I've been gushing over. This is nice. Oh, I can see why. I can see why Chris makes it look so effortless. I'm not even having to stand up for this. It's just the suspension is just eating it up. Oh, maybe I am going the wrong way. It's looking pretty gnarly. Ooh. Shit, how am I doing this? Up over there maybe. Oh man, geez, he's got some balls away. Just goes for some of that. I'm not so ballsy, but yeah, it just soaks it up. What am I fucking so scared of? No, I'm loving it. Are you loving it? Okay, don't drop his bike. Oh, this is the gnarly way that I did not want to go on. Scary. How was that for you?
Yeah, fine.
Let's have a look down there, because I think this is going to get too gnarly. Yeah. Ooh, that was a big step. Ooh. Whoa, gee whiz. Go, mate. Oh, this is the scary way. Oh, is it? No, maybe not. I wouldn't want to come up it, that's for sure. It's funny when you get yourself in a mental state with the fear of something you've done before. Woohoo! Oh, fuck me. Sorry, Chris, didn't mean to scratch the side of your bike on that bloody canyon. Whew. Oh, my word. Woohoo! Mud, 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 mud. Oh no, this is the one I didn't want to be on, I think. Yeah, this might be where Gary dropped his bike, possibly. No. Trying to remember what track this is. It's good, it's just scary enough that it's doable. Oh, I know it. Yeah, it's been, look at that, it's well rutted out. This is the one that used to have the stick that'd take your eye out if you went the wrong way. Shit, I didn't see that. Holy mackerel, this is fucking really worn out from when I was on it last. Wow. Oh shit. Fuck, what happened then? That was weird. It accelerated on its own when I had the foot on the brake. Oh, I must have... Oh, okay, I let the clutch out. I was right in the clutch. Modulating the clutch, I should say. I miss not having the steg pegs on this is the only thing. That's why I'm sitting down. Oh no, this is the bad way. Hey, that looks really fucked up there. Does that look doable to you? Does that look doable? Oh, but I've fucked up here many times. Yeah, not when you break your leg. Hey? Nah, man, that's enduro. Hey? Which way would you go? This way? Where? There. Oh, it just keeps getting worse though. It keeps getting worse. I vote we turn around. Oh no, it's official. Chris is fucking crazy. Or he's got balls the size of basketballs. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Unbelievable. Jeez, he can ride that bike. Fuck, he did it. How the fuck did he do it? I guess that's it, isn't it? It's fucking gotta be gutsy. Like, I can see the line there now that he's done it, but I still wouldn't want to try it. I'd get target fixated to be looking at this shit, and I'd just be fucking going into it. Well done. That was some seriously good riding. I really doubt the camera is showing how proper gnarly this track is, but it's amazing he got that Africa Twin up here. That is fucking some good riding skills. My word. Oh shit. Can't even fucking walk it. Wow, he's doing it. Fucking he's doing it. Oh my god. Fuck me. Yeah, I got a bit of learning to do. But this is why you ride with better riders, so you can become a better rider. And Chris thinks Brett's a good rider too, another guy we ride with, a great rider actually, so he must be really good. If Chris is impressed, look at this, man. Unbelievable. Look, I'm not too proud to let someone else ride my bike up the hill. I can't afford a broken leg. I got a family to feed, and I run my own business. Woo! Fuck yeah! Probably should be standing. Okay. Okay, so this is. I did.
Trying to fucking stop, and I'm like, oh.
Yeah, it's pitiful, isn't it? These are deep. I've been stuck in this one before. That's horrendously deep. Whew. Oh, this is quite pretty in through here. Pleasure to ride this bike. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna say it. I think I like this bike better than my own. I would just put skinnier grips on. I'm not loving the fat grips he's got on this at the moment. But it's carving up. Oh, there's he's up there. It's carving this up. It's effortless. And we've already seen what he's done with it. He's got up that other fucking that other hill, no worries. Yeah, made that look easy. I'm still thinking of riding through, but maybe not. Not as much fun, but anyway. Piss. You sometimes never know with these things. They're like, they look shallow and then they're just like a boggy mess. Whew. Oh man, this is where I fucked up my gearbox, my WR Effortless. This bike just eats it up. Oh, fuck me. Jesus Christ. Whew. I probably made this look harder than it is. Talked it up. Oh, yeah, no, this is it. Bang! Holy shit! Oh man, I can't believe I'm riding this thing up here. Whoa! Holy fuck! I love your bike, mate. You'd be nuts to sell this thing. It is so fucking competent. It just does it. It's good. This is. It's so planted. It's so predictable. It's fucking. Oh, I would like to see if you had the original suspension to put back in. I'd like to see what you think. Okay, we'll go this way and come back around, I guess.
Let's just bust out back to Debra, have a beer and go home.
Righto. Shit. Whew. Oh yeah. Let's see what he means about the brakes. Oh. Oh no, I don't know if we have been down here. You reckon? Oh, you're washing it. Woo! Oh, the suspension, let's eat this up. Oh yeah. Whew. Whew. Oh, I'm glad I'm not washing it. What's he doing? Whew. Ah, what a beast. Sorry, mate. I don't know why I picked. I don't know why I picked that. I was going for the other one, but woo! Man alive. The confidence you get on this bike is unbelievable. You want to swap a day, bro, or you want to swap now?
I'll just swap up to gantry, yeah?
Oh, no. Oh. Well, I'm glad we did that.
That'll make for some good footage for you.
Oh, mate, I'm gushing over your bike. I must just have a thing for... Sorry about that. I must have a thing for big bikes.
Short legs, mate, dirty.
What do you reckon? I think I got a thing for big bikes.
I think you do. I think you feel more planted and more comfortable on big bikes.
I'm feeling it, yeah. Did this feel a smidge higher to you now?
Oh yeah, that's definitely higher.
Yeah.
That's definitely lower.
Yeah. So I think it's a combination of that, just that inch down, and the sureness of the bike. It's.
And they also say that, you know, the ATs very much because the way the tanks
Holds its.
sit down into it.
Yeah.
And you get that feeling. I find when I first got on this one, I found I was really disconnected from the back. Like, it was really sort of quite awkward, and then I got used to it after a while.
Yeah. Yours too scared me to start with.
A bit, and